This is Brooklyn Botanic Gardens, right, Boxxo? Congratulations. Okay, so let's go to that flower section. Hey, there's a temple over there. Do you see that bridge over here? Congratulations. Okay, that's good.
So I'm running on the back, and then Lemmis is probably interested in a Japanese temple over at that Brooklyn Botanic Garden.
Some ponds around here. Japanese ponds are in Brooklyn. Cherry blossoms. I like it. With sakura trees in it.
The sakura trees are already in Japan, but why Brooklyn?
Say, do you like the smell of flowers? Sorry. Okay, if you don't want to smell flowers, congratulations. Okay. Just calm down, Boxxo.
Well, I never smelled flowers before. I could try it.
Okay, so let's go. Here, Boxxo, smell it.
I don't have any nose.
Does it smell good? Congratulations. Okay. So, do you change into flower section? Wow, you're the flower machine. That sounds really good. What flower pots we should get? Oh, I know. Roses, please. Thank you very much. You're the best flower vending machine I ever saw.
So, flower vending machine was so good, isn't it?
Yep, I can always smell roses now. Looks like a rose. Smells like a enchanted rose on me, and then peaceful fall in love with me.
Whoa, she kind of looks like a fairy tale.
Okay, and Boxxo, change back to a vending machine, please. Thank you very much.